Well, she's coming together. Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and we still at it on the donation Honda Civic. Last video, we got the interior torn out. We got the carpet installed. Now it's time to get everything else put back in this car so we can get back to working on the mechanical issues that this car has. And I'm telling you, it's a doozy. So let's get started. So, off camera, we got the old door card off, the new door card on with switches. Ran into a bunch of issues because this was the main door being used all the time to enter and exit the car, of course. So right on in there, the pigtail, whatever, the wiring harness that runs into the door, all the wires was all corroded and broken off. That's why 3 of the windows wouldn't roll down. The power locks didn't work. The speaker didn't work. The savvy mirror didn't work. I'll show y'all once I find the wire what I'm talking about. I got stuff everywhere. Don't even know what I did with that wire. Well, here's the end of the wire. Yeah, I can see that. And I'm having to cut it. A lot of the wires just broke off in here. And what the wires was left, I just cut them. Had to solder in new wires. Even went to my neighborhood pick and pull and grab more harnesses because I thought that was the issue. But maybe in the future, if we keep this car, I'll go through and pull the wire from the inside of the car and unplug it and plug it in because I got that. So I got 3 things out of 4 working. The power lock still don't work, but the savvy mirror work, the speaker work, and now all the windows roll down. So at least I got that to work. We did off camera install the new radio. Hope y'all can see that. It's dark up in here. So we gotta get this interior button back up. We got new speakers installed all the way around. It's been very busy. Well, I've been very busy. There's new radio.
To unwrap some drama.
Hurry into T-Mobile this holiday season because both new and existing...
So y'all see the radio works. That one to work. That one to work. That one to work. And that one works. But I said all the windows working. Savvy mirror work. If that wasn't working on this side of the car, nothing was working because of these wiring harness that was in this door. But let me see if I can get this interior button back up. Still got a lot more stuff to clean. We got a mess in here. A mess. There go new seats. But let me jump into this. Well, she's coming together nicely. Got the headliner in. Now it's time to button up the rest of the headliner. I still know the new windshield got to be replaced. Don't know when it's going to get replaced, but it's going to get replaced. Just got to call my glass guy to come over. Pay him the $150 and put a new glass in. But she's coming together. Got the seats in, as y'all can see. Front and back. Just got to clean the seats up in the back, because those are the original ones. Got the new upgraded seats in the front. But they ain't new. They used on another car. They got a couple of cigarette burns. But they got the adjustments in them. So you're going to adjust these. I like these a little bit better. But now it's time to get the rest of, get this rearview mirror put on. Get the used visors put back in. The used ones. Get the dome light put in, little clips in the back. And that'll be a wrap. At least the interior be done. So let me get back to work. Well, that's going to be it for the interior. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I still got to put the cover on that light, but I got it. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. How did the interior turn out? We're going to try to save the original Honda carpets that came with this car in 1998. The front one was really dirty. They're around here somewhere. But y'all let me know. So the interior done. It's time for me to get back working on the mechanical issues with this car. Just had to get the interior done. Got tired of looking at the interior. Now it's back to the mechanical, which this car does run and drive. If y'all new to this channel, just letting y'all know this car does run and drive. So just got to finish pulling her together. Still got to pull that oil pan. Put the oil pan gasket on there. Put the new catalytic converter on. Exhaust manifold back in place. And try to figure out how to get the exhaust on. I had to take it to a shop. I don't know yet until I get it up there and see what I'm looking at. After I get everything put back together. Still gotta. Well, that's gonna be a wrap. Still gotta order fenders, headlights. But that's all to come in the future. Future of this car. Let's get all the mechanical done. I'm not gonna be doing all painting of this car. It's too cold outside. I'm waiting for springtime. And get the rest done. So y'all know what it be. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here on the Donation Honda Civic. And if you would, please share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. Let them know there's a new sheriff in town. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. Easy E's Rebuilds. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we release a new video. Go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. We also take Cash App donations. Donations of cars just like this one. And we have merch at teespring.com. Not like the shirt I'm wearing. But go check out the description area down below, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people.
Deuces.